Digital transformation has become Russia's top priority as it aims to become a leading startup venue by 2030. Artificial intelligence is expected to play a key role in achieving this goal and in the evolution of Russia's digital economy. Already, the Russian Direct Investment Fund managed to raise up to $2 billion in foreign investment to promote national companies developing AI solutions. In the last 10 years, there have been 1,400 AI projects in Russia, 85% of which are non-profit, with approximately 311 million euros spent on AI R&D. The use of AI is estimated to generate up to 14% growth in global GDP. Thanks to comprehensive education programs, Russia has a significantly large pool of homegrown talent in AI. Reports demonstrate that AI startups have 16% business share. This puts Russia at the forefront of the AI race. With the implementation of national technology development programs, Russia's technology ecosystem is primed for the exponential growth of AI startups. In Moscow, the list of notable Russian AI startups and applications continue to grow, and it has climbed from 14th to 10th in the last global city ranking as an ecosystem for startups. Russia is well on its way to achieving its goals in digital transformation and to becoming a global tech hub.